What's going on, MSG fam? Today I'm going to be making jalapeno ginger pork stir fry. Be sure to watch to the end because I'm going to mukbang the out of it. Stay tuned. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need jalapenos, ginger, green onion, garlic, red onion, 2 pounds of pork butt, oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, sugar, and a mayonnaise jar. But I rest assure you that it is sugar, and it's 100% cage-free sugar too. Alright, let's get started. I like to use a Asian soup spoon to skin them. It's very easy. Alright, I'll get the smallest piece I have and then I'll julienne that. And then I'll try to match everything else to that. Make sure all the pieces are about this size, give or take. Alright, for the jalapenos, make sure you're wearing gloves. Go ahead and chop off the stems. Chop them in half. Then cut them diagonally like this. Alright, for the onion, chop off both ends. Do a little slit so you can peel it off easily. Chop it in half. And go ahead and chop it. Chop it. Alright, for the green onions, chop off the tips and the ends. And cut them into 2-inch pieces like this. For the garlic, go ahead and smash them so they're easy to peel, and then we're going to mince it up. We're using about 7 garlic cloves here. This is 2 pounds of pork butt. Go ahead and trim it down to manageable pieces. Chop them down some more. When you're slicing the meat, make sure you're slicing against the grain. It makes it more tender and easier to chew. So it'll be delicious. Alright, get your sriracha oil. Oil up your pan. You add a tablespoon of sugar and about half the garlic. Alright, add in your ginger. Add in your onions. Let that cook down. When they're ready, put them off to the side and we're going to add it in later. Alright, oil up your pan again. Add in the rest of your garlic. Add in another tablespoon of sugar. Let it brown. And then add in the meat. Add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright, add black pepper to your liking. I love black pepper, so add a lot. When the pork is cooking, it's going to release some water. And when all that water evaporates, that's how we know it's ready. Alright, we're going to add the ginger and onion. Give it a stir. Give it a taste. Give it another taste. Alright, I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of oyster sauce. Two more tablespoons of fish sauce. And 2 more tablespoons of soy sauce. And black pepper. I love black pepper. Alright, gonna throw in the jalapenos and green onion. Let it cook for a bit. Put the lid so it can cook more evenly and faster. Alright, gonna check the consistency of the jalapeno. Alright, that's good. But it needs some more sauce. Add 3 more tablespoons of oyster sauce. Three more tablespoons of fish sauce. And 3 more tablespoons of soy sauce. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, so good. 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 So good. Oh yeah, just finished cooking and I'm about to dig in. Shit, man. Okay, got some pork, some onion and ginger right here, and a jalapeno. Let's go. Ooh. Nice kick of the jalapeno. Nice bite of that ginger. The onion just balances it out with the sweetness. Oh man, almost tastes like mama's cooking. You wanna be a mama? I'm gonna be a mama. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ooh, some of that green onion. Let's go. That's good. That's really good. So at the end of the video, you saw me adding more sauce. Just add it to your taste. So you like it? I'm loving this right now. Get some jalapeno. Oh. Next time I want to add mushrooms to this. Maybe it might be good. I don't know. But right now it's dang. Ooh, we got fat. Y'all gotta try this. I wish it was like taste cam or smell cam. So good. Ooh. Last bite. So good. Thank you so much for being part of the Watch Till the End Club. I really appreciate you guys. This recipe was really fun. I really enjoyed cooking it, and I really enjoyed eating it. It was delicious. If you guys decide to make this recipe, take pictures or a video and send it over to me. I would love to see it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I look forward to making more content for you guys. Peace. Thank you. Love you.